वन्दे भुवनेश्वरी मङ्गलकारिणी वन्दे भुवनेश्वरी मङ्गलकारिणी कृपा करो दुख निवारो कृपा करो दुख निवारो राज राजेश्वरी आनंद रूपिणी वन्दे भुवनेश्वरी मङ्गलकारिणी कृपा करो दुख निवारो कृपा करो दुख निवारो राज राजेश्वरी आनंद रूपिणी काली मां कृपा मां दया मां प्रेम मां सुंदर मनोहरी मां काली मां कृपा मां दया मां प्रेम मां सुंदर मनोहरी मां स्नेहमयी मां प्रेममयी मां स्नेहमयी मां प्रेममयी मां वन्दे भुवनेश्वरी मङ्गलकारिणी कृपा करो दुख निवारो कृपा करो दुख निवारो राज राजेश्वरी आनंद रूपिणी आनंद रूपिणी आनंद रूपिणी Just know that these words are actually addressed to you, to yourself. It's a message from you to you. प्रभु जी दया करो, प्रभु जी दया करो, मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो। Allow your own presence to fill your life, to fill your moments, to fill wherever you go. मन में आन बसो, तुम बिना लागे सुना, तुम बिना लागे सुना, खाली घट में प्रेम भरो, खाली घट में प्रेम भरो, मन में आन बसो। मंत्र तंत्र पूजा नहीं जानो, मंत्र तंत्र पूजा नहीं जानो, I may not have the knowledge, I may not have the intelligence, I may not have the understanding, and yet I know you. मंत्र तंत्र पूजा नहीं जानू, मैं तो केवल तुमको ही जानू, मैं तो केवल तुमको ही मानू, सारे जग में ढूंढा तुमको, the only reason I've separated from you is to find you. सारे जग में ढूंढा तुमको, अब तो आकर बाह धरो, अब तो आकर बाह धरो, मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो। how to make your presence known and felt is simply walk the earth as if I am you. मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो, शब्दों में आन बसो, कार्यों में आन बसो, सब में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो। Know that we offer, what we offer is not ours. You remember how in many pujas when we do the swaha, it is often accompanied by namama. Om Namo Swaha Namama. We remind ourselves that whatever we are offering is not mine. We are offering what is already belongs to that. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 That's a yearning from
We can hear you.
yeah. So know that this is a yearning for the self which is veiled, and it is only an apparent veiling.
Pankaji, please mute yourself.
Yeah, everyone, please be on mute. So it is the contracted self yearning for the divine self and unable to see the divine self or be with the divine self because of this veil that is between them, between us. And slowly it begins to dawn on us. When we look for this separate self, we cannot find it anywhere. All we see are thoughts, feelings, emotions, beliefs, which appear to that separate self, but there is no other separate self present. And when we look for that, we only find the divine self. And then we look at the veil of the 1,000 objects, the million diverse forms, the colors, the objects and events and people, which makes up the veil. And when we look closely at the veil also reveals itself again as divine. The essential substance of the veil is nothing but divinity. There is no me, there is no you, there is no veil. The substance of you is that, the substance of I is that, the substance of the veil is also that. जो तू है सो मैं हूँ, जो मैं हूँ सो तू है, ना कुछ आरज़ू है, ना कुछ जुस्तजू है। जो तू है सो मैं हूँ, जो मैं हूँ सो तू है, ना कुछ आरज़ू है, ना कुछ जुस्तजू है। उठा जब के माया का पर्दा ये सारा, उठा जब के माया का पर्दा ये सारा. How does this parda of Maya reveal itself? When we look closely at this, it lifts because there is no place to hide, there is nothing to hide. It becomes clear that the veil itself, the Maya itself, is nothing but a modulation of divine, a shape of the divine, a form of the divine, a color of the divine. So just in case this meeting ends, please just rejoin, same meeting ID, same password. We'll go on probably for another 15-20 minutes. So in case it disconnects, just rejoin as is, same numbers. उठा जब के माया का पर्दा ये सारा, किया गम खुशी ने है मुझसे किनारा. When we can go beyond sorrow and joy and be in bliss, when we are, that bliss is independent of whether the circumstances look like joy or they look like sorrow. We see through both and see the underlying bliss from which both emerge. उठा जब के माया का पर्दा ये सारा, किया गम खुशी ने है मुझसे किनारा. जो तू है सो मैं हूँ, जो मैं हूँ सो तू है, ना कुछ आरज़ू है, ना कुछ जुस्तजू है. There is no craving, there is no desire, there is no want. When the object of desire, the one who is desiring, are both one and the same, then what remains to be desired? What remains to be resisted? What remains to be pushed away? What remains to be hankered for? All of it made up only of awareness, all made up of only consciousness, which you are. ना कुछ आरज़ू है, ना कुछ जुस्तजू है. जो तू है सो मैं हूँ, जो मैं हूँ सो तू है. बस आराम मुझ में, मैं अब राम में हूँ. बस आराम मुझ में, मैं अब राम में हूँ. ना एक है ना दो है, ना एक है ना दो है, सदा तू ही तू है. That too we can call whatever we like. It is I, it is divine, it is God, it is consciousness. consciousness, it is the Tao. Allah, Ishwar, Rahim, Ram, I. The simplest way to name it is the most common word in the English language. The most often used word in the English language is the name of that, and that name is I. ना एक है ना दो है. We all call ourselves I. Whether we are from Japan or America or Tibet or Sweden or India or Qatar or Africa, we all call ourselves by that one name, and that name is I. ना एक है ना दो है, सदा तू ही तू है, जो तू है सो मैं, जो मैं हूँ सो तू है, ना कुछ आरज़ू है, ना कुछ जुस्तजू. Wonderful. So welcome everyone. Welcome Sandhya Ben. Hi. You can wave. Nagarajan ji, hello. Neha. Hi, Neha. Nupur, great. And the ever invisible Jigna. And Jennifer Ma. Wonderful. Great to see you all. So we, the whole, the game which we now can all be engaged in is this wonderful game of knowing we are that and playing as if we are this. Knowing we are that, playing as if we are this. And the other way around. Playing as if we are this. That playing we are this. While knowing we are that. So that game of back and forth, that game of how to continuously in our day-to-day life, in our, in these kind of spaces, in these moments, and in all times, how do we continuously make present, bring forth, that. And actually, that is all that is happening anyway. Even though we may not know it, even though we may not agree with it, even though we may not like it, we may love it, we may hate it, whatever. That is actually what is happening, is the bringing forth of that. The bringing forth of that is all we are doing. This whole instrument called mind, body, sensations, the whole apparatus, all it does, it's only activity, it's only presence, is to bring forth that. So the only difference is it happening knowingly or is it happening unknowingly? It's already happening. We are all divine. We are all that. There is no other one. There is nothing else. So who is there to be ignorant? There is nobody. And yet we can consciously or unconsciously ignore that, or we can consciously know that in every moment, in every action, that this is that. This is me being this instrument called mind body, animated by divine presence. And even the animated puppet is also made of divine only. It's not something separate or divine or undivine or non-divine. It's only that. So whenever we encounter, the only question remains, whether we are doing it knowingly or not, that is one. And the other is, are we in alignment with the qualities that we know inherently and fundamentally and instinctively and deep down? We just know ourselves and we know the qualities of that self. The qualities are love, the qualities are compassion, the quality is peace, the quality is acceptance, the quality is space, the quality is beauty, the quality is truth, the quality is creativity. All those qualities we know are those inherent fundamental qualities of that divine. And so